to a new vlog. So I'm starting a new vlog today, and I'm basically gonna be working from a coffee shop. So welcome to a day in the life of a software developer. Okay, today is actually a Saturday, but I'm just planning to go to Rosebank to do some work. Yeah, I'm not going to be working the whole day, but then yeah, I'll be working for a few hours, and then after that I'm just gonna enjoy my day. I think my little sister said she'd be there as well, so we're just gonna hang. We might go bowling together as well after working. And yeah, if you're new, thank you so much for coming back. I love you guys. Mwah, 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 mwah. And to all the newbies, welcome to the family. I hope that you like what you see and that you click the subscribe button and that you enjoy it here. Okay, cool. So okay, let's go guys. Without further ado, I don't want to waste too much time. My Uber is on the way, but I'm actually going to take the Gautrain. So I'm taking the Uber to the Gautrain, and then from the Gautrain I'm going to take the Gautrain to Rosebank. I haven't been on the Gautrain in so long, so excited for that. So okay guys, bye.
What you came to see. Let me be your muse. I'll inspire you in ways you won't believe.
Wow, je wil het ook hoor. Hé? Oh, je wil het ook hoor. Ik heb je expect.
50 shades and hues, tailor made for you. Drew me in, get what you started. With your hands, can you?
Guys, I'm in Rosebank with my little sister. So yeah. So now we're gonna go to a local coffee shop called Popo Tea, darling. So that's where we're gonna go and enjoy.
Changing of the accent is crazy.
They never had a pretty girl from Joburg to me now, and that's what they prefer. I don't touch no wheel cause I got a chauffeur, cause that's how I get around the world. Just minutes me with the drama, unless you come in with the commas. Or DJ turn the sound up, cause we about to pour the rounds up. From Jersey to Ibiza, they say it doesn't get sweeter. Feel my body banging like speaker. Ooh, sweating on my concealer. Skin tight, no millimeter. And my face card, I can feel weaker. But they know that my body is a healer. Ooh, I love to make it jump, 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 jump. Ooh, you know I love to make it jump, jump, jump. Jump, 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 back it up, up. You know I love to make it jump, 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 jump. Ooh, you know I love to make it jump, jump, jump. Jump, 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 back it up, up. You know I love to make it.
Only got a nigga calling on me. I don't wanna know your vibe, oh yeah. Listen to me, I put some carrots in your ear. Make this stitch up, I wanna put it in the rim. Wanna get deep, I serve it like a dealer. You bring that up, I'm thinking in the middle. I'm back in the word, it doesn't feel no really. Her perfect picture, like a Polaroid. She a trophy, you know what? Lips sweet, feeling like a sirloin. Told the chauffeur, take your shit, she nasty. Have a plan, it should be a war.
Guys, so in the previous vlog I shared how I broke into tech, and in this vlog I'm going to be telling you guys which courses I exactly took to be able to break into tech.
And let me tell you my story, because it wasn't the traditional path at all. First thing first, I'm self-taught, okay? My first line of code, I taught myself that through YouTube videos and online courses on Codecademy. I started with the basics, HTML, CSS, yep. But here's where it gets a little crazy. I literally started applying for jobs after learning HTML and CSS. Delulu, right? I actually landed 2 interviews. Now, did I get those jobs? No. But here's what I did. I did get invaluable insight into what companies were looking for, and those interviews taught me what I needed to learn. And that's when I had a reality check and enrolled for SheCodes, which is a coding workshop for women, and that taught me how to be a front-end developer. And after learning React, which was my favorite framework, I actually landed my first tech job at a startup company that was paying me, bare minimum, but it was good for a first job, honestly. And I don't want to lie, guys, if you really want to get into tech, don't be afraid to just take the chance. It's been 3 years now, and tech really did change my life, because the opportunities that I have right now, I don't even want to talk about it. But yeah, guys, that's my journey. If you are interested in trying out Codecademy or SheCodes, I'll leave a link in the description for you guys. Okay, let's get back to the vlog.
They never had a pretty girl from Joburg to me now, and that's what they prefer. I don't touch no wheel, cause I got a chauffeur. First class, how I get around the world. Just minutes, maybe hit the drama, unless you come in with that commas. Or DJ telling the sound up, cause we about to pour the rounds up. From Jersey to Ibiza, they say it doesn't get sweeter. Feel my body banging like speaker. Ooh, sweating on my concealer. Skin tight, no millimeter. And my face cut, I can feel weaker. But the know that my body is a healer. I love to make it jump, 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 jump. You know I love to make it jump, jump, jump. Jump, 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 back it up, up. You know I love to make it jump, 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 jump. You know I love to make it jump, jump, jump. Jump, 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 back it up, up. You know I love to make it.
Only got a nigga calling on me. But I wanna know your vibe, oh yeah. Listen to me, I put some kerosene in it. Make this stitch up, I wanna put it in the room. Wanna get deep, I serve it like a dealer. Give it up, I'm thinking in the middle. I'm back in your word, it doesn't feel no realer. Hop every picture, I'm part of right. She a trouble, you know what. Them sweet feeling like a sirloin. Tell the show, take it shit, she nasty. Have a pleasure to be a wild one.
From Jersey to Ibiza, they say it doesn't get sweeter. Feel my body banging like speaker. Ooh, sweating on my concealer. Skin tight, no millimeter. And my face cut, I can feel weaker. But to know that my
Hi guys, so we're at this really cute place called Coco Tea. You guys need to come here. It's so pretty and the aesthetic is amazing. But the lighting is a bit trash, but it's okay. I ordered a grape fizzy with cream on top. I don't know if I like it that much, but it's okay. And then, yeah, I'm just gonna sit here. So pretty.
Hands on my knee, collars begin. Hop off a chick, barely get rich. Cash to the moon, run, I get a check. Be selling run on my pants and my jeans. Chanel a dress, clean up a mess. I eat a flesh, you know the rest. Count up 100, couple Rolex. Shine like the sun, truly blessed. 2 over 10, and they clip up like I Uber the jets. This is on me, got my Gucci shirt wet. Him and my bag gon' get used to the rest. With this school where they teach you for this. I heard this shit's for the drip I invest. I'm the boss man, I keep catching the dance. All the cool fast when they in with an S. Now that I'm home, back on the road, we shut it down, where they sold. Checks on the streets, they number 4, sand on my feet, put it on toes, take it with me, double your dose, covered with angels that's watching my soul. Check out a bed, this bigger window, when I beat the intent, but I got the info. I feel like I'm frozen, I'm covered in gold.
Guys, this thing tastes like grapefruit. Tastes like grapes. Like the kind of makes it like grape juice. And then the rest of like cream.